If you are raising a child with ADHD, you need to hear this. ADHD is just as genetic as height. But while height is a genetic trait you can see, ADHD is often hidden. Research shows ADHD is up to 80% heritable. That means, in fact, if just one parent has it, there is over a 50% chance their child will inherit it too. Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Powell, and I'm an education therapist and researcher and a Fulbright Scholar specializing in executive functioning. Because this genetic trait is hidden, you might look at your incredibly smart middle school or teenager or college student, the one who aces every test but gets C's because of missing assignments, or maybe they wait until 11 p.m. to start a project. And oftentimes they are assumed to be lazy. They aren't. This is a classic case of high ability, fractured performance. And oftentimes, as academic demands skyrocket from middle school to high school, your child is hitting a wall with their brains, that CEO part of the brain, their executive functioning. And these are the skills, the cognitive skills that allow us to plan, manage, organize our time, organize our thoughts, and actually start a boring task. And when those skills are delayed in development, your child's intelligence gets trapped. Now, here's the good news. These skills, they are skills, which means they can be taught. And I am partnering with Broward Prep for a 12-week video series called Synthesize Your Brain. And over the next 12 sessions, I'm going to break down the exact strategies that may be really helpful for you to teach and bolster your preteen and teenagers' executive functioning skills right here at the beginning, or even maybe before school starts. So hit follow so you don't miss day one. And to get a head start, I created an executive functioning survey, research-based, to help you pinpoint exactly where you or maybe your student is struggling. It's entirely free, and the link is in the bio. So hit and follow, and I'll see you on day one.